Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bed frame king size. We'll guide you through the process of transforming your existing frame to comfortably fit a king-size mattress. A standard king mattress measures 76 inches wide by 80 inches long, offering ample space. We'll focus on adding the necessary width to your frame, ensuring a sturdy and supportive foundation. Get ready to enjoy the luxurious comfort of a larger sleeping area with our easy-to-follow instructions. Before starting, gather your essential materials and tools. You'll need sturdy lumber, like 2x4s or 2x6s, to extend the frame's width. For secure connections, have wood screws, at least 2½ inches long, or carriage bolts ready. A reliable saw, a power drill with appropriate bits, and a precise measuring tape are also crucial. Don't forget wood glue. It significantly enhances the frame's overall stability and longevity, creating a robust structure. Now, let's extend your frame. First, accurately measure your current frame's width and compare it to the 76-inch king size requirement. You'll likely need to add about 16 inches to the width. Cut 2 new lumber pieces to this length. Position these new supports between your existing side rails, creating the extra width. Securely attach them using at least 2 screws per joint and apply wood glue for maximum strength. Ensure all connections are tight and flush for a stable foundation. With the frame extended, it's time for finishing touches. For optimal support, add at least 2 central support legs, especially if your frame didn't have them before. These prevent sagging in the middle of your king mattress. Next, install additional slats or a bunkie board across the new width to ensure even weight distribution and mattress longevity. Double-check all screws and bolts for tightness. Finally, you might want to sand and stain or paint the new wood to match your existing frame, completing your DIY project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.